lose it all in the morning. Suddenly the sun makes it all feel alone. Breaking up our routine, this new thing is daunting. Lose my head on you, it's a border I'm crossing.
Just another drop, fill me up till I'm holy. Heaven only knows what we do when we're lonely. Break the bread and watch as the seas come alive.
All in my head, should I play safe? Hide away feelings and play the game. How can I tell if you feel the same? I hear a change when you say my name, yeah.
Searching for the word to tell you.
I cannot pretend no more. You tell me what's behind that door. You, I will risk it all and more. You could be who I've waited for.
You, I can't get you out my head. You, roller coaster on my bed. You, I can't risk it all no more. You, keep me home waiting for you.
Fuck. Yeah, yeah. Hit my plug up yesterday and then I got some weed. Niggas see me out here getting paid, they wanna hate on me. Baby said she wanna hit Jamaica, gonna catch a breeze. Niggas steady telling me I'm blessed, but I forgot his needs. Bitch, I'm eating good, I'm running up the cheese and broccoli. Remember when they tried to turn the page, but now they watching me. Mercy be so crazy, bitch, I'm coming from another breed. Extraterrestrial, bitch, I'm from another galaxy. Smiling in my face, but really fake, these bitches really trees. Niggas going crazy in my comments when I drop the tease. And he wanna know what I'ma feed him. I said, nigga, please. Niggas always asking for your favorite, stack your own cheese. Bitch, I'm going up like a propeller, ain't no stopping me. Niggas swear they tough when shit get up, you call the cops and leave. Touching so much money, only thing I see is blue and green. I be going crazy, all these other bitches can't compete. Yeah. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah.
It's like I'm Bin Laden with my pants jotting. The best to most, extra votes. A flow that is shot most like electric votes. CS, he be the best. Black spit that shit, huh? Others just spit BS. Trying to be larger than life is the rule that I reach for. To y'all look as minuscule as a peephole. Yo, the black be the face of the people that's tired of the weaker raps. Tired of the people that's giving artists bad names. Hip-hop and seeing that be out for presidents to represent me. Yeah.